Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to implement GitHub Copilot in Intellij. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you're not already. And once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. In this main page in the upper right corner, we're going to have the sign up option. If you do not already have an account, we need one, so you want to go ahead and create a new one. And if you already have one, you can just log in normally, and once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where you can take a look at all the repositories we have. We have our home icon option right here where you can take a look at our projects and so on. And now we can get started. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started configuring GitHub Copilot and Intellij or wherever we want. So basically what we want to take a look at first is how to start with Copilot. So right here in the upper right corner, you're going to have your profile icon that you want to click. That's going to open up this new drop down menu. In the drop down menu, we're going to have our options that we can access. One of them is going to be called your Copilot. So you want to open this up. By opening up Copilot, it's going to enable us to start a free trial if we want to use Copilot with our GitHub. And if not, you do not even have to activate it. But if you needed to implement somewhere, you want to start a free trial and start using it. So how do you configure it in your environment? Basically, you can follow the steps right here in this documents page right here of GitHub. How to configure in your environment. Basically, you can take a look at how you can implement it wherever you want. By using this API of Copilot, you can input it wherever you want. And if you want a direct tutorial how to use it with Intellij idea, here you have a Medium page that shows you the steps you need to take a look at. So basically, you're going to go into settings and plugins and then install accept third-party plugins, from where we're going to go and be using the REST ID for plugin and so on. You can follow the rest of the steps right here. It's going to enable you to authorize GitHub Copilot plugin that you're going to use with your account you have right here, and that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.